Good morning, guys. Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, today is Wednesday, I want to quickly run you through an analysis on Usdjpy, a daily analysis on Usdjpy, so that you and I can have a bias to trade for today. So as you can see on my screen, this is Usdjpy 1 hour time frame, and with the way I trade, each time when I want to trade, I come to 1 hour time frame, and when I get to 1 hour time frame, I would have my psychological level being plotted or laid out on my chart. And as you can see, the black lines happens to be my psychological level. I have plotted them out prior to this video. And the next thing which I want to see is I want to see a trend, either a bullish trend or a bearish trend. And prior to today, I can see a bullish trend here. I have a bullish trend that is being formed here. So if I can establish a trend, the next thing I want to see, if I establish that this is a bullish or a bearish trend, I want to see a change of character after a break of structure. And if you look at it from this aspect, we found a break of structure to the upside here. There's a break of structure here. And the next thing I want to see is a change of character. And as you can see, we have a change of character. So a break of structure at this point, let me mark it out. A break of structure happens at this point, and a change of character happens at this point. So now that we have established that we have a break of structure and we have a change of character, let me label the change of character. So this is the change of character. So we have the change of character, and the next thing which I want to see is I want to see that change of character create an imbalance. So, and as you can see, we saw this imbalance. There's an imbalance here, and there's also an imbalance around here. So we have about 3 imbalances that change of character left behind unmitigated, as you can see. So, but I don't just use any imbalance. I would like to use an imbalance that's aligned on my psychological level, and the imbalance happens to be this imbalance, because if you look at that imbalance, it is also lying on my psychological level, giving us like 2 confluences. We have the psychological level there and we have the imbalance there. So what am I expecting basically? I am expecting price to basically move into this area, and when price moves into this area, I'll go to the lower time frame to see my entry confirmation. So when I get to the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, I want to see a confirmation inside this area, which is inside this area here, that we have a psychological level and an imbalance. So if I found my entry criteria on the lower time frame inside this point here, which I cycled red, then I'll be looking for opportunity to go short, just like this. I'll be looking for opportunity to go short from inside of this, something like this, and target back the origin where the retracement start from, which happens to be here, So it's as simple as ABC. So the bias now is to look for selling opportunity at that area of confluence. So if price gets there, then I'll be looking to sell Usdjpy. However, are we going to fold our hands and wait until price gets there? We can also decide to take opportunity. So sorry for the interruption. So just like I was saying, prior to now, we have this trend to the downside. We have this trend to the downside. We have a pullback and we have a break of structure at this point. There's a break of structure here. And if you see clearly, just like I have explained, I need a break of structure and a change of character. We have a change of character at this point. Let me mark it out. So we have a change of character at this point. Just keep it simple. You don't have to complicate things. Keep it simple. We have a change of character here. Just like as you can see, there's a change of character. So since we have established a trend and we have a change of character, the next thing we need to look for is that change of character needs to create an imbalance. And if you look at the chart on this 1 hour time frame, you can see we have an area of imbalance here. There's an imbalance here. And also we have another imbalance here. There's an imbalance here as well. So if you want me to zoom it, yes, let me zoom it so that you can see clearly. You see, we have our first imbalance here and our second imbalance here. And just like I have said earlier, I would like to take my trade on any imbalance that collides with a psychological level. And this area of imbalance happens to be that imbalance that also aligns with a psychological level. So while we are waiting for a selling opportunity from this area here, from this area of imbalance, which I have outlined previously, we can still look for opportunity to take a buy. We can still look for opportunity to take a buy from this point here. So we can look for opportunity to take a buy here. Our stop loss will be just a little bit below, and we can target this next psychological level. So that is my analysis for you on USDJPY. Don't forget, the main setup is for us to look for a sell opportunity from this area of imbalance that align with a psychological level. But while we are waiting for that sell, we can still look for opportunity to take a buy from here up to this place, and we'll have something like this if we have our entry confirmation. So do well to wait for this trade. If you are looking for opportunity to buy, wait for the trade to come below inside that area where I cycled red, and look for your entry confirmation. Then you buy up to this area, and when you get to that area, you can also look for your entry confirmation from there, and you sell down to where the bullish structure is coming from. So I think with this short video, you should be able to position yourself for a buy or a sell. Do well to subscribe, do well to comment, do well to like, and do well to share this video to any other person that you know it may be useful for. And see you in the next one. Peace out.